Hi all, in this video we will see how to draft a proper sleeve for a dress or kurti and lay it on a fabric and cut it. Here we are drafting a small sleeve for a medium sized person, so please use the formulas to draft a perfect sleeve. We have burst for 34 and sleeve width is quarter burst minus 1 and cap height is half of sleeve width minus quarter. Armhole is 16.5 as per measurement and sleeve length is 5. Now let us start drafting the pattern for sleeve. So take a brown sheet like this and mark half inch on the above and start drafting the pattern from that line. Okay, so draw a straight line and start drafting the pattern. And take the height of the sleeve, which is length, which is 5 inches I have taken. So sleeve length is 5 inches, so mark on that 5 inches and draw a straight line. So we have sleeve from this line to this line. So we are going to draft sleeve from this point to this point. Okay. So mark the cap height, which is 3.5 as per the formulas I have shown you. So from the starting of the sleeve, mark 3.5 down and draw a straight line. And this is the cap height line. So now we need to mark the 7.5 inches sleeve width as per the formula. So this is 7.5 inch mark on the cap height. And draw a diagonal line from the sleeve beginning to this point. It's a 7.5 point on the cap height. And now mark the sleeve round. Sleeve round is 10 inches plus 2 inches allowance, so total 12. So mark 6 inches, which is half of it. Mark like this and connect it to the cap height point we have drawn. Okay. So we have the sleeve, we can see, right? From this line to this line, this line. So that is the sleeve. Now measure with the tape till cap height line. What is the measurement? So we have 8 quarter. So divide this 8 quarter into 4 parts equally. This is like 2 1/8 or something. So divide this into 4 parts. So we have 4 parts now. So mark 3/4 inch up on the first point. And half inch up on the second point and half inch down on the third point, like this. So now we'll be drafting the back armhole first. So take the armhole curve from the first line to first point, mark like this. So it has to connect to the line, okay? So mark a curve like this and again adjust the armhole curve, draw to the second line, second point, and then in the reverse side of the armhole like this, little curve has to be like this. From middle point to last point, connect like this. And this is the shape of the back armhole. So we are done with the back armhole. Now draw the front armhole. So from the beginning of the line, okay, place it like this, okay, little down and connect till the middle point. And now keep the armhole like that only at the same point, just move it upside, okay? Just keep it like that in the same position and connect the middle point to the last point. And connect with the half inch down mark we have already marked, right? So connect with that. So front armhole will be like this, okay? So this is front armhole and this is back armhole. This is the sleeve. Total sleeve is like this. Okay. So we have to cut on this pattern now. And take a scissors and cut on this sleeve. If you want the length to be like 6 inches or 7 inches, you can do so. And the measurements are same, okay? Just the round measurement at the bottom will be different. So take half of that and do it. So this is the sleeve draft we got for 5 inches length down for a medium sized person. So how to lay it on a fabric and cut it? So I'm going to show you now that. Fold the fabric into 2 and raw edges will be on the lengthwise. Okay. Now take a scale and mark half inch down for the raw edges so that we can trim it later. Now keep the pattern half inch down of that line, pin it all over so that we can mark properly on the fabric. So pin it like this. We are done. And take a marker and mark like this. This is a tailoring mark. So mark all over on the pattern, the same pattern shape. So we are done. So we have to start giving allowance on the fabric so that we can cut the pattern. Okay. So on the armhole side, we have to give ½ inch. So move the tape like this and give ½ inch on the armhole side. So mark like this and then come to sidewards and the downwards. On the side, give 1 inch allowance like this, and on the down part also give 1 inch allowance. To take a scale and draw a straight line for the side and the bottom line. Okay. So take a carbon sheet, because we have markings on the front side but not at the back side, right? So take a tracing wheel and mark on the pattern like this. So this is the back, this is the side. So back armhole we have drawn. So we have to draw the front armhole also. This is the front armhole line. Move the tracing wheel like this back and forth and draw it. Okay. We can see the markings on the back side, right? So like this. Okay. So after that we have to cut on this allowance line. And remove the pins of the pattern. Give notch in the middle of the pattern like this. So we are ready with the pattern. Now what we have to do is for the front armhole on the other side, give ½ inch allowance on the front armhole line like this. Okay. And cut on this allowance line. We are done with the back but not the front, right? So on the other side we have to do for the front. So cut on this allowance line. So we are done with the front armhole curve also. Okay. So this is front, this is back. Hope this was useful. Thank you very much for watching.